Hello everyone! Today we're excited to share with you the best skincare sets of 2023. Taking care of your skin is important, and these skincare sets offer a comprehensive range of products to address various skin concerns. Let's dive in. e.l.f.SKIN. First, we have an exciting product to talk about, the e.l.f.SKIN Hydrated Ever After Skincare Mini Kit. This mini kit is a must-have for anyone seeking complete hydration on the go, thanks to its TSA-friendly sizes and range of essential skincare products. The e.l.f.SKIN Hydrated Ever After Skincare Mini Kit is specifically designed to keep your skin hydrated and nourished, no matter where you are. Whether you're traveling or simply need a convenient skincare set for your daily routine, this kit has got you covered. Inside the kit, you'll find 4 essential products that work harmoniously to provide optimal hydration. First up is the cleanser. This gentle yet effective cleanser removes impurities and excess oil, leaving your skin feeling fresh and clean. It sets the foundation for the rest of your skincare routine. Next, we have the makeup remover. This gentle formula effortlessly melts away even the most stubborn makeup, ensuring a clean canvas for your skincare products. It's perfect for those late nights when you need to quickly and effectively remove your makeup before bedtime. The kit also includes a moisturizer that deeply hydrates your skin, locking in moisture and providing long-lasting hydration. This moisturizer is formulated to leave your skin feeling soft, supple, and plump with a healthy-looking glow. Last but not least, the e.l.f.SKIN Hydrated Ever After Skincare Mini Kit features an eye cream. The delicate skin around the eyes requires special attention, and this eye cream is specifically designed to provide intense hydration and help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It leaves your under-eye area feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. e.l.f.SKIN is known for its affordable yet effective skincare products, and this mini kit is no exception. It offers a comprehensive skincare routine in one convenient package, allowing you to experience the benefits of hydrated and nourished skin without breaking the bank. Next, we're excited to introduce the Biossance Overachievers Set. This comprehensive skincare set combines the power of the Biossance Squalane plus lactic acid resurfacing night serum with travel-sized bestsellers to provide hydration, exfoliation, and smooth fine lines. At the heart of the Biossance Overachievers Set is the Squalane plus lactic acid resurfacing night serum. This serum is formulated to gently exfoliate and resurface the skin, promoting a more even tone and texture. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots, revealing a smoother and brighter complexion. The Biossance Overachievers Set also includes travel-sized versions of Biossance's best-selling products. These travel-sized gems allow you to experience the benefits of Biossance's skincare routine on the go. First, we have the Squalane Plus Probiotic Gel Moisturizer, a lightweight gel moisturizer that deeply hydrates the skin while balancing its microbiome. It provides essential moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Next, the set includes the Squalane Plus Phytoretinol Serum, which harnesses the power of bakuchiol, a plant-derived alternative to retinol. Last but not least, the Biossance Overachievers Set features the Squalane Plus Marine Algae Eye Cream. This luxurious eye cream is specially formulated to reduce the appearance of puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines around the delicate eye area. It provides intense hydration and nourishment, leaving your eyes looking refreshed and rejuvenated. Moving on, we're delighted to introduce the Badescu Essentials 5-Piece Kit. This skincare gift set combines 5 iconic Badescu products to provide a comprehensive skincare routine for radiant and healthy-looking skin. First, we have the drying lotion. This cult favorite spot treatment is designed to target and dry out pesky blemishes overnight. With a potent blend of salicylic acid, sulfur, and calamine, the drying lotion helps reduce the appearance of pimples, whiteheads, and blackheads, promoting clearer and more balanced skin. Next, we have the Rose Water Facial Spray. Infused with rose extracts, aloe, and herbal extracts, this refreshing facial spray helps hydrate and revitalize the skin. The Silver Powder is another standout product in the Badescu Essentials 5-Piece Kit. Formulated with natural ingredients like kaolin clay and calcium carbonate, this unique powder helps absorb excess oil and unclog congested pores. It leaves your skin looking mattified and more refined. Also, its enzyme cleansing gel is a gentle yet effective cleanser that helps remove impurities, excess oil, and makeup residue without stripping the skin's natural moisture barrier. Formulated with papaya and grapefruit extracts, this gel cleanser leaves your skin feeling clean, refreshed, and balanced. Last but not least, the Flower and Tonic Mask is a luxurious mask that combines a blend of flower extracts and natural clays. This mask helps to clarify and refine the complexion, absorbing excess oil and impurities. It leaves your skin feeling smooth, soft, and rejuvenated. In all, Mario Badescu Essentials 5-piece kit makes for a perfect skincare gift set, whether you're treating yourself or someone special. Next, we're thrilled to introduce the Tatcha The Starter Ritual Set. This exquisite skincare set by Tatcha is the perfect way to begin your journey to radiant and nourished skin. The set starts with the Pure One-Step Camellia Cleansing Oil, a luxurious oil cleanser that effortlessly melts away makeup, impurities, and excess oil. Infused with nourishing camellia oil and rice bran oil, this cleanser leaves your skin feeling clean, soft, and hydrated. Next in the ritual is the Rice Polish Classic. This gentle exfoliating powder transforms into a creamy foam when activated with water. Formulated with rice bran and papaya enzymes, it effectively removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and reveals a brighter and more refined complexion. The third step is the essence. This lightweight, hydrating essence is enriched with a blend of fermented Japanese superfoods. It helps to replenish and restore the skin's natural moisture barrier, leaving it plump, radiant, and prepped for the next skincare steps. Last but not least, the set includes the Water Cream, a weightless moisturizer that delivers a burst of hydration. Formulated with Japanese wild rose and Japanese leopard lily, this cream helps to minimize the appearance of pores, balance oil production, and provide antioxidant protection. In summary, if you're looking to embark on a luxurious skincare journey that combines the best of Japanese skincare traditions and modern formulations, the Tatcha, the Starter Ritual Set, is a perfect choice. Next is the Glow Recipe Fruit Babies Skincare Kit. This delightful gift set combines the power of fruit-based skincare to nourish, revitalize, and bring a healthy glow to your skin. The Glow Recipe Fruit Babies Skincare Kit is a thoughtfully curated collection of skincare essentials that harness the benefits of natural fruit extracts and powerful ingredients. Each product in the kit is designed to address specific skincare concerns and provide a complete routine for your skin. First, we have the Retinol Eye Cream. This gentle yet effective eye cream is formulated with encapsulated retinol and natural extracts to target fine lines, wrinkles, and the appearance of dark circles. It provides intense hydration and brightens the delicate skin around the eyes, leaving you with a refreshed and youthful look. Next up is the Oil-Free Face Moisturizer. This lightweight moisturizer is packed with nutrient-rich watermelon extract, hyaluronic acid, and vitamins to hydrate and soothe the skin. It absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and velvety soft without any greasy residue. The BHA-PHA Facial Toner is another standout product in this kit. With a blend of exfoliating acids such as salicylic acid, betaine salicylate, and gluconolactone, this toner gently removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and helps to refine the skin's texture. It also contains antioxidant-rich fruit extracts to nourish and revitalize the skin. And the hyaluronic acid serum is a hydrating powerhouse that quenches thirsty skin. Infused with multiple molecular weights of hyaluronic acid, this serum attracts and retains moisture, leaving your skin plump, smooth, and radiant. It helps to improve the skin's elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Last but not least, this kit adds a niacinamide dew drop serum that gives a radiant boost to your skincare routine. In all, if you're looking for a skincare kit that combines the power of fruit extracts, effective ingredients, and an uplifting skincare experience, the Glow Recipe Fruit Babies Skincare Kit is a perfect choice. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has helped you discover the best skincare sets and makeup kits of 2023. Embrace your beauty, express your creativity, and let these products enhance your daily routine.